Okay, so the recording is on. One of you confirm you could hear me, please?
I can hear you.
Yeah, I
Okay.
can hear you.
All right, thank you. Okay, so now, so we are here, so let me, okay. Okay, so now that it's downloaded here, so go ahead and click in here, click on empty. Okay. Okay, well, what happened here? I'm gonna give me 1 second here. I think my disks are missing here, so I'm gonna add them back. These two, and choose disk 3. If this has happened to you, go ahead and do that, and then here select the one that says empty, and then go into drop down and select choose virtual disk. Okay, then you will have an option to select the CentOS 7, and make sure this says a 1908. Okay, so let me go ahead and click open, and you should see this here that the IDs has changed here. So far we are caught up here. Okay, and go ahead and click OK.
Give me 1 second. Let me see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So you click OK. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click start. So what will happen is this will start from the virtual CD what we just added one. Okay. Let me know if you guys are getting any errors. In here, don't use your arrow and don't click inside there. Okay. Make sure you're not clicking inside, but use the up and down arrow key to cancel the countdown. Okay, and make sure you go all the way up. The very first one, install CentOS 7. Okay, when that one is highlighted, hit enter on the keyboard.
I'm getting an error for that.
Okay, I know some people might get an error here, so okay, what's your ID? TeamViewer ID?
Just a minute. ID will be 469 184 962, and password will be 996 FMI.
Okay. Okay, so storage. Okay. What brand of laptop is this?
It's a Dell laptop. I'm sorry, mine it was mute.
Yeah, okay. Internet. I got disconnected. Did you restart the system?
No, I didn't restart it. It's asking me if I want to buy a license or.
Yeah, go ahead and restart the system and see what happens.
I'll restart.
Let me know it's up. Okay. I hope nobody else is having this problem, right? If you are having, let me know. Okay, so I will work on him on the side. So go ahead and make sure the install CentOS, the top one is selected, okay? And hit enter.
All right, I restarted it.
Okay,
Let's see.
go ahead and try to launch it and see if it makes a difference.
It does open up that black window, but then it closed saying failed to open session. It's a different error this time.
Okay, I know what it is. Let's do this here. Okay, give me your
What is the
previous.
problem? All right.
Zafar, I had the same problem, right? Just
Update,
yeah,
right? That's what I was
yeah,
thinking.
update, correct. Just update, install the upgraded version of your VirtualBox.
Can you so Yusuf, you're having problem, right?
Yes.
Okay, so go to virtualbox.com. Or .org, I think, whatever that is. Just type VirtualBox. Did you have to uninstall this, Farooq?
No, I did not. You just simply install on top of it, and it's gonna automatically uninstall and reinstall
Yeah.
it.
Or
All right, I'm on the VirtualBox and download 6.1.
yeah, click on download 6.1 and on the platform select Windows hosts
Mm-hmm.
and I think that's an executable file, so you could start downloading it and then just save it.
Yeah,
Yeah. So there should be a shorter file, yeah, not too big.
it's taking about 10, 13 minutes.
Okay.
Well, saying 6 minutes now. Might be faster.
Yeah. I mean, you know how that's how it works.
Mm-hmm.
It was giving me an option since the beginning to download 6.1. I will just keep denying it.
Yeah, the reason I tried not going is you never know because the machines I have here doesn't like it. And previously also we tried to go to the latest and greatest one, and it wasn't working. So the one I have it on the side that was working for last two batches. Apparently, this is what happens here. VirtualBox is very notorious to come out with updates way often than anything else.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm having Farooq had the same problem yesterday, so it might just fix it. So once it's downloaded, then just run it.
Sounds good.
Yeah, it shouldn't take long here. Maybe we'll wait up for you. Maybe you should be done in about 2-3 minutes.
That's what it's saying. Yeah, 3 more minutes.
Yeah.
All right. While we're waiting, I have a question.
Yeah, sure.
So, like, the difference between your screen and mine is that I have two banners on top. One says you have the auto capture keyboard option turned on, and this will cause the virtual machine to automatically capture the keyboard every time the VM something. And the second banner says the virtual machine reports that the guest operating system does not support mouse pointer integration in the current
Okay.
video.
You have it on the top, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Just cancel it out.
Yeah. Instead of putting X, click on the one that says "Don't show this message again." The one on the right. You have two messages. I mean, you have either you could exit out or you could just
Yeah.
yeah
Yeah, I got it.
yeah, do those two things.
Okay.
So if you have clicked inside here, if you clicked inside the VirtualBox, I mean, you may or may not have good luck with this, but the mouse is now inside VirtualBox here, so you won't have access to mouse anymore. So to get the mouse back, you have to push the control key on the keyboard on the right side of the keyboard. The control key on the right side of the keyboard, it will bring your mouse back to you. If you click in there, then the mouse is back inside the VirtualBox. Okay, so let's go ahead and click continue. Okay, everybody click inside there and let me know if you're having trouble with the mouse. Okay, so we have to give some time in here. It's gonna go through the installation source and all that.
So when I hit continue, I get this little window pop up. It says VirtualBox information. You have clicked the mouse inside the virtual
Yeah.
machine. I think that's what you were talking about,
Yeah.
right?
You put a
So
check
what-
mark in it and then click OK on it.
I will have to close the this call for a little bit to install it.
Okay, yeah. Go ahead.
And for me, you said click on do not show this message again
Yeah.
and cancel
Yes.
or capture.
Oh, capture. Click capture. Sorry.
Okay, all right, got it.
Okay, now what we need to do is before that, let's go ahead and go into view and don't click on full screen mode. Click on scaled mode.
I just sorry about that. I think I can't. Oh, there it goes. It worked finally. Okay, go ahead. I'm good.
Okay, so I'm gonna start again. Go into view and click on scaled mode. Okay. And then what here you could do is you could.
No, I think I'm having trouble. I think the trouble with the mouse. The
Yeah,
pointer.
to bring the mouse back, push the control key on the right side of the keyboard. The two control keys on the keyboard, right?
Got it. Yeah.
Use the one on the right side of the keyboard. It will bring your mouse back.
Thank you. And then hit view and then choose what again?
Scaled mode.
Scaled mode. Okay. And then what do we do? A little window pops up. The virtual machine window will be.
Yeah,
Now,
put a check mark
mode.
on it and click OK.
Click switch.
Yeah.
Or cancel. Switch.
Switch. Yeah. Okay, now I think you have to use the arrow keys to select the installation destination and then hit enter. Okay, let me know everybody is on this screen.
Yeah.
Okay, in here, select the first one, SDA.
Okay, I'm at the installation summary screen, so one page back, I go installation destination.
Yeah, select installation destination. Let me scroll on the side here. Yeah, select installation destination, yes. And then hit enter. The mouse is not working?
Yeah, the mouse, the hand things shows up a date and time, keyboard, language support. When I go installation destination, it said no disks selected.
Okay. Yeah, so are you in there? Do you see the same screen as mine?
No. So I need to click begin installation to get to your screen.
No. Hold on. Nothing is selected, right? Yeah, okay. Let me connect to your computer.
Okay.
Yeah, give me TeamViewer.
Okay, alright. One moment. I'm just waiting for. Okay. Still hasn't launched yet. Okay. 470 478 494.
Okay, and password?
Password 2 Z as in zebra 73 B as in Bravo, P as in Paul.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna use arrow. Here's the thing, guys. I mean, you could use the arrows or you could use the mouse here. I suggest using arrows because it's a big pain for you to
Okay.
use the. Now you see a check mark in there, right? Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go up here and done is selected, so I'm gonna hit enter. Okay, so it's saving. Okay, now you're with me. Okay.
Okay.
All
Thank
right,
you.
so I'm gonna disconnect here. Okay. So everybody else is with me. I think Borhan and Adil. Both of you are with me, right? So if I click done here,
I'm sorry.
yeah, go ahead.
I was clicking installation destination, and it's just popping up no disk selected.
Okay, yeah, go back in there. Go back into installation destination,
Yeah.
and you should. Do you see 3 disks like this?
No.
Okay, let me connect.
Okay, so I had to uninstall the older one and then install the new one because it was giving me the error.
Oh, it didn't do it on automatically?
It didn't do it automatically because it was showing the system that a couple things are running on the background. It has to be closed before
Oh, okay.
downloading. So I had to reinstall it. But all the adapters and everything is there. It's the same.
Okay, good.
All the disks are there and everything's there. And then I did the start, so it's open now.
Okay. All right, great. So I'll come back to you. Let me bring him up here.
Yeah.
So you are on this screen, right?
Yes, it's saying starting in some seconds.
Okay, so interrupt that using the arrow key, up and down arrow key on your keyboard.
Okay.
Okay, now make sure install CentOS 7 is selected.
It's giving me the error to capture or cancel.
Capture. Because you clicked in there, but here's the thing here. Use your arrow keys on the keyboard. That way it will help you navigate.
It brought me to the place where it's like generating commands and stuff automatically.
Okay, so it's doing this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Wait, let me see. Let me see your and you said hit control to use the arrow?
Okay. That's a right control to use bring the arrow back here. So just click in there. Your arrow will disappear in there. And if you want your cursor back, push the right control key on the keyboard.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, it's doing that thing that you just showed me.
Okay, good.
Loading. Yes.
Okay, so I think you're caught up here. So give me your team viewer, the other person who was having issue. Or you are okay now?
All right. It's 469.
Okay.
745. 270.
Okay. All right.
It also dropped down 2 options for me. You have the auto capture keyboard option, so that just can X them both, and then the virtual machine report.
Or to select the, if you have those on the top right, on the top of the screen.
Yeah. Yes, these are 2 of them on the top of the screen, one after one.
Okay, so click on the icon which is right on the right side, which is don't show this message again.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
right.
just click on those. Okay, I'm ready for the password.
97
97
NWB 8.
97 NW P as in Papa
No, B as in Bob.
and 8. Okay, I'm in.
Yeah.
So here. Okay, yeah, you're in a good place. So you hit this and you put a check on this. Go back up, done. And while I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and start you off here anyway. So it's begin installation, and for the root, I'm gonna give you password Red Hat, okay, all lowercase.
Okay.
Okay. Give me 1 second here. Can you control the mouse and then close out of this?
Close the virtual machine.
No. Close the one. You see inside the virtual machine. Can you close that help document then? It won't close, right?
No, it won't close. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Give me 1 second here. What I could do with this. Okay, let me just go ahead and quickly do this. Okay, let me connect again. Okay, It's gonna take. You're good now. Okay. So.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna disconnect. And who's next? Maybe I'll just go through like this here then, or somebody could follow me. That would be too good too. Or you think you could follow me? Okay, so in here in the installation destination, this should have a check mark on it, and then use your arrow keys to, when the done is selected, hit enter. Okay, and now, and then select begin and hit enter. Okay, and when it's trying to do this here, use your tab key to highlight root password.
I think I'm lost here.
All right, let
The
me connect.
last 2 or 3 steps.
Yeah, I know.
When I hit done, it just took me into another screen that you were showing earlier, where it said like help thing, and you said if you could close it.
Okay, yeah. Give me your team viewer.
Okay, give me 1 second. The ID is 469 184 188 184 188.
Okay.
And password is 9M7UT4. 9M 7UT4.
Okay. All right. So here's the thing here. I'm gonna bring that other window back here. So do that Control C. I'm gonna reset the machine here. First installation is always painful. Okay, so
Yeah.
here the problem is the with VirtualBox there is no good coordination between the keyboard and the mouse inside VirtualBox, so it's a little painful here. So I'm giving the password red hat all lowercase, okay?
All lowercase?
Yeah.
I'm still on that same screen.
Okay.
The first one.
Yeah. Okay, so you're good here. So I'm gonna connect to your computer. Give me your VirtualBox. I'm sorry, your team viewer, I said.
It'll be 469
469
184 962.
962.
Password is AS3E83.
Okay. One more time, please. AS.
AS 3E
3E
83.
83.
Yes.
It's not moving here. 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 Can you give me the password again? For others, did it came up to finish? Is it finishing it up?
I think
No.
at a screen where you ask you to reboot.
Okay. Yeah, we'll wait there for a second. Okay, can you go ahead and give me your password again?
AS3E83.
83. I'm gonna do one more time, and if not, then you have to restart the system.
Okay, I will restart it if needed.
Yeah, give me 1 second here. Yeah, go ahead and restart here. Okay. Okay, so for everybody else, so it should say the reboot or finish configuration, right?
Okay, so I'm stuck here. When I click begin installation, it keeps going between kdump and security policy.
Uh-oh. Let me see your team viewer.
Okay. Okay, again, 470-478-494.
Okay.
Password 2Z73BP.
Okay. Yeah. So. Uh-oh. I thought I selected begin installation. Okay. And now I'm gonna set your root password to Red Hat. Okay.
Okay. So what did you do? I mean, because you just did it so fast. I mean,
I use the keyboard here, tab over. Yeah, once you're done with the classes, the thing you're gonna learn is you will hate the mouse and the mouse and the graphic. Everything is gonna be in black window, and you'll be like, oh god, you was stuck there for so long. Here's the problem here, as I told you a few minutes ago, that there is no good coordination between the Windows and VirtualBox, because Windows has its own Hyper-V hypervisor, so that's why it's not there. And plus, VirtualBox is from Oracle, so I think they have a good competition there. But VirtualBox works better here for this class here. Once this painful installation is done, we shouldn't see any VirtualBox problem throughout the course. Okay, so it looks like you're chugging through. It should be done in few minutes. And
okay.
Anybody else? Everybody else is caught up, or I need to help someone?
Yeah, I think I need your help. You need the
Yeah.
password.
Which one are you? 188?
Correct, yeah.
Okay, and the password?
9M7UTE. No, sorry, T4. 9M7UT4.
Okay. All right, no. You're actually in a good place.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And who else is at that black window? So when I finish configuration, I'm gonna come back there. Just stay there.
Okay.
Whoever is at that window and then blinking cursor, stay there. Okay, I'm gonna reboot. Okay, so we are here. So everybody with me at this black screen with the blinking cursor?
No, I'm still waiting for the installation to complete.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
I think everything is good with mine now. It's on the screen where it's downloaded. Welcome to CentOS 7 in English and all that.
Okay, so you want me to connect or you could follow through?
I can follow through. Just you can just tell me what to do and I'll do it.
Okay, here's the screenshots on the left.
All right.
So you're here, right? Install CentOS?
No, I already done that. Go down. I'm on this page where right here. I'm right here.
Okay, so use your tab key and look closely here because it will highlight, and when the continue is highlighted, hit enter.
Okay.
Okay, so let me know when you're here.
I hit continue. It's not. Yeah, it's there now, and
Yeah.
I gotta hit install.
Yeah.
And after that.
Yeah. So you are into install destination, right? Installation destination.
Yeah, install destination went away. I think I clicked the install destination. It's saying no disk selected. Please select at least one disk to install to.
Yeah. So what screen are you in? Are you on the same screen that you looks like me?
I was, but then it disappeared. I think I already clicked on the installation destinations, I guess. Can you show me the next screen, please? Yes, I go up a little bit. I think I have this, but I have like 3 of them. not
Yeah.
one.
Which one did you select? First one?
Which one do you want me to select?
Okay. Use the down arrow key and select the first one, SDA. When it's highlighted, push the space bar. So it will have a check on it.
Okay, it has a check on it and hit done.
Yeah, you have to highlight done. So go use the up arrow key. When the done is highlighted, then hit enter. And then it will throw you back here.
Okay. Okay, it did.
And then use the tab keys to select begin and then hit enter. Begin installation, I'm sorry. You got to look like, you got to come very close and take a look where it says begin installation is highlighted.
Yes, I did that. I can use, it's letting me use my mouse, so I did that.
Okay.
It's on configuration right now for root, password, and user creation.
Okay, so it's gonna go through the installation, and then
Yes.
And then use the tab key to select root password and hit enter. And then put in, like, I usually prefer a Red Hat as a password. So in the root password, type in Red Hat, then use the tab key. And then use tab to select done, okay? And hit enter. You might have to do a couple times because it's a dictionary word, so it will go tell you they don't use this. Are you done setting the password?
Just give me a second. It's no, I'll do it a couple times. It's saying the password I have provided this week, but I think it did it anyways.
Okay. So
it's set.
Okay, good. Now you must be on this screen here.
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, so
my setup is still not completed. It's still sitting at performing post-installation setup test. So it just might take a while. If you want to just continue,
where are you now? What do you see on your screen?
It still says performing post-installation setup tasks.
How long it's been there?
Maybe a minute or two at least.
Okay, actually, let me connect and take a look. What is your number?
470-478-494.
Okay. Password?
2Z73BP.
Okay, after 73?
B is in Bravo, P is in Paul.
Okay. Okay, yeah, you're still going. When it comes up and says reboot or what was the other one? Finish configuration. So go ahead and select one of those.
Okay. So while we're waiting on this, just a question. My laptop has 8 gig memory.
Yeah, that's plenty of enough memory. Yeah.
Yeah. So how many virtual machines can I create then?
I have the similar one here, and
What's up, Edgar?
you could create unlimited virtual machines, but I think
Yeah.
the one, I mean, the one time I created on my machine here, oh, let me see how many I had one time running here. 10. I had about 12 running simultaneously one time before it start
Wow.
to give you problem.
Okay.
Here's the thing: a
And you,
virtual machine is like we have 16 GB of hard disk we are using, right? It's not exactly using 16 GB right away. It is that much hard drive space is allocated, but if you really are using it is what you're using at the moment. So if you're using only 4 GB, then the real disk space is only 4 GB. Is in principle
okay.
it's using 16 GB, and also the same thing with the memory and all that. If you allocated 1 MB of RAM or 1 gig of RAM, you have to know what is it using at that moment. So that's where the virtual machines comes in.
Okay. I guess my computer must be really slow because it's taking forever.
No, it's a big installation. It's a big installation. Yeah. What is happening here is maybe where is your I if you could plug in your Ethernet cable next time, that would be nice here, because Wi-Fi sometimes it's connecting at the same time it's running virtual machines and all that, so it will
Yeah.
create a lag. Okay, so uh, okay, so who everybody's caught up now except you, right? Except Yusuf, I think. Yusuf, where are you, Yusuf?
I'm on the screen where it's root password set and everything.
Okay, so it's still going.
Yeah, my screen basically it's all perfect. I can reboot it if you want.
Yeah, go ahead and reboot.
Sure. All right, I hit the reboot. Um, it's telling you to capture. I captured it.
Okay. Is it rebooting now still? What is it doing now? Shall I continue? Hello, you guys hear me, right? Anybody hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, go ahead, Zafar.
Okay. So now we are ready to log in here, right? We are logging into the system. So if you're logging into Windows, you would have some graphics here, but here's the news. This is where you log in here, and it's going to be in dark window. That's it, nothing else. So we'll log in, and then when you will be typing in the password, the cursor will actually not move and you won't see anything in there when you are actually typing in the password here, okay? So just so you know. So go ahead and type in root as the user. You could see the root. And then as you're typing the password, it will not show, and it won't show the asterisk either. So go ahead and type your password. Mine is Red Hat. So I'm going to hit enter.
Can you hear me? I think there's some problem going on with the mute thing. It's not letting me mute.
Okay.
It did not. After I hit the reboot, it's completed the reboot and everything, but it's just there.
Is it on the black screen, right? Just like me?
It didn't go on a black screen. It's saying CentOS is now successfully installed and ready for you to use. Go ahead and reboot it. Reboot is complete, I guess, but it's not.
Yeah, you have to use the tab key. Select tab key, push the tab key, and then when reboot is highlighted, then hit enter.
All right.
Okay.
So I was basically clicking it, and
Yeah,
it does make the difference.
That's normal. That's normal. I'm telling you, you're gonna hate mouse and graphics by the time you're done with this.
Man, it gives me a knowledge. That's all I want.
No, you're in the right place here, because this is what's happening here. Let me show you something on the screen here. I have one customer who is. I'll show you why everybody is going with Linux compared to Windows here. Windows is very good also. I worked in Windows for 10 years.
It's on a login now, asking for
okay.
What is it asking for? Login.
Yeah, so yeah. So everybody on the same page with me, even Yusuf?
I think I need help with login.
Where are you now? You on the same screen as me?
Yeah, but then what's the login information? You said Red Hat, right?
No, only Red Hat once. Type root and type Red Hat only once, all lowercase.
Root space Red Hat, or no space?
Just root and give no space, okay?
Okay.
And hit enter. and when it's blinking at password, type red hat. You won't see anything, or the cursor won't even move. And hit
then
enter.
It says login incorrect.
Okay, where are you right now?
So I put the login information, root, Red Hat, and then when it asks for the password, I put Red Hat, and it says incorrect.
No. Look at my
incorrect.
screen here. The login is only root, not Red Hat.
Oh, okay.
Okay, login is only root, and hit enter. And the password is Red Hat.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so now let's go ahead and type IP space A. So we're gonna get the IP address. Yeah, go ahead. I'm sorry.
It's saying now you get. It's saying it failed. I tried 3 times. Root and then password was Red Hat, but it didn't go. Said incorrect.
Okay, give me 1 second here. What is your ID?
My ID is ending on 962.
And the password?
K3 U4 F1.
I'm sorry, start again.
K3 U4 F1.
F as in Frank 1.
Yes.
You're in already. You're in, buddy. You're in, buddy. You're in business.
All right.
Okay, we'll just wait here, okay?
Sir.
Okay. Now go ahead and everybody go ahead and type IPA and hit enter. Okay, so I'm gonna capture the screen here.
You already did it for me, I guess. IPA.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna have to capture for the document. So in here, you're looking at number 1. Don't worry about number 1. I'll explain that later. That's a loopback. Look at the number 2. It says ENP0S3. That's our first network adapter. ENP0S8 is our second network adapter. And then the third network adapter is number 4, which is ENP0S9. Okay, so we're gonna have to, what we have to do is we have to enable the, we have to make it enable as such. It will read the, it will give us the IP address. Okay, so adapter 1, adapter 2 is ENP0S9. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take this out. So the adapter 1 is ENP0S3, and adapter 2 is ENP0S9. 0S8. Okay, and EN 0S9. Okay, now what we're going to do is go ahead and type this command here, okay? The one you're seeing on the screen here. So we're going to go to this place, type cd space /, all these things matter here, / space and everything, you have to type it exactly. Then type etc. I have it displayed on the screen also, on the left side of my screen. /sysconfig sysconfig, then /network -script. Okay, network -scripts start with ends with S, and push a tab key. When you push a tab key, it will automatically give you a /. Okay, everybody let me know when you're there.
Yep, there.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good. And hit enter on the keyboard. So you could see that the network scripts, it should say on there network scripts.
Sure.
Okay. Now what we're gonna do is, do I need to capture this? Here, let me capture this window also. Okay, now let's run one more command. L as in Larry, S as in Sam, ls, and hit enter. Okay, now you should see the associated files with each network adapter. Over here, which says IFCFG ENP0S3, S8 and S9. These are all the associated network adapters. So what we have to do is we have to enable them. They are there and sitting and getting wasted. So what we're going to do is we're going to enable them so that we could reuse it. So I'll show you in a minute here. Okay, and then the command is, I'm going to increase the size here. And here's the thing here, in Linux, all the commands are lowercase. There is no grammar, there is no grammatical correction in Linux here, okay? Everything is lowercase most of the time. So what you should do is, wherever the cursor is blinking, type VI, then type IF, the VI space, IFCFG, then hyphen ENP 0S3. So we're gonna work with the first file. Okay, so everybody, when you're there, let me know, and then hit enter key. Okay.
Got it.
All right. Now look all the way on the bottom, last line. It says on boot. It says no, right? We're gonna have to make it yes. So go all the way on the bottom using the. There is no cursor in here, so you have to use the down arrow key on the keyboard, and go all the way on the bottom to on boot.
What key again?
I'm sorry, what?
Key. Okay.
And then use the side arrow keys to go to the side. And when no is highlighted, or push I as in India on the keyboard, it says insert mode.
I got a different screen.
It's blank screen?
Yes, it's blank, and in the end it's saying
yeah, because you typed it wrong here. So do control. I'm sorry, do shift. Hold on to the shift key and push the colon key on the keyboard. And Q as in queen, the way I'm showing you on my screen. And hit enter. So you should go back to the previous screen.
So shift and Q?
Yeah, shift Q and hit enter.
Shift Q, hit enter. It's brought it to the something else.
Is it like my screen? Is it blinking?
Yes, it is.
Okay, type LS there.
Type LS.
Yeah, you know what? Hold on. Type clear. Delete LS. Type clear and hit enter. It will clear the screen. And then type LS. Your screen should match my screen.
All right. And then type LS.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Now type VI.
VI space.
IFCFG.
IFCFG.
ENP 0S3. Well, make sure you have the same name also as mine, because sometimes it is possible that it may be different for you. Do you see when you do LS, do you see the file name IFCFG ENP0S3?
ENPOS. Yes, I use M on the first one. Okay, I get it.
Okay, yeah.
It's ENPO0S3.
And hit enter.
All right, perfect.
Okay, go all the way on the bottom using the arrow key. And you got to be careful here. When you say on boot, we're going to have to delete no and make it yes. So push I as in India. And then move your arrow on the right side of O. And then just delete NO. Don't delete more than NO. Then type yes in there. Okay, so your screen should match my screen.
Perfect.
Okay, everybody with me?
Yes.
Then push the escape key on the keyboard. The insert on the bottom should disappear. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna save and exit this. So
you said space key after yes.
Escape key.
Oh, okay.
So you have on boot equal yes, right?
Yes.
Okay. Everybody, can you confirm on boot is yes?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. So down on the bottom of that screen, you shouldn't see insert anymore. When you push escape, the insert should disappear. So insert is not there anymore, right? So what you have to do is hold the shift key and colon. Down on the bottom, you will see the blinking cursor now with the colon.
Okay.
Okay, now type X as in Xerox. This is a lowercase x.
Okay.
And hit enter. So what we're doing is we are saving and exiting this file.
Sorry, what did you do after we clicked escape?
Hold the shift key. Hold the shift key and push X as in Xerox. Are you on the, look at my screen here. Is it same as you see?
No, I can't get my cursor to go to the bottom of the black screen.
Are you using arrows?
No, your mouse is not going to work.
Yeah, I'm using the arrows.
Okay, tell me your on boot is equal
Okay.
yes.
Yes,
Okay, push the escape key
I did.
and hold the shift key and push the colon.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, so I have your on-screen keyboard here. So it will be a little challenging by the time you learn this here. So to bring the colon, you have to hold the shift key down and push the colon once, okay? Okay, so then you push X as in Xerox and hit enter. So it will exit the file saving changes. Okay, and you have the blinking screen just like me here, right?
Not me.
What do you see there?
I see IFCFG EMP0S3, and then it says 15L282C written. And
Yeah, I
it
got the
says
same
root
thing.
local network scripts.
Okay, good. Yeah, no worries. But you did save the changes for the ENP0S3, right?
ENP0S3, correct, yeah.
So your screen looks like this. Go ahead and type clear. Everybody type clear and hit enter. And type
Okay.
LS. Enter.
Okay.
Now everybody's screen should look like my screen on the right side.
Yes.
Okay, now
Yes.
what we're gonna do is we're gonna edit the file which ends with 0S8. So the simple way you should do is use your up arrow key on the keyboard. It remembers your last commands, okay? So just roll up and then bring that number 3 and make it 8.
Bring number 3, make it 8.
Yeah. Use the keyboard on the keys on the keyboard. Look at these keys here, right?
Mm-hmm.
These 4 keys will help you bring up and down the. If you go up and down, it will bring the command you have typed last time.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Now we already messed around with 3, so we're gonna have to change it into 8. So once you made it 8 and hit enter, we're gonna have to do the same thing again.
I think I'm lost. What are we talking about? Number 8?
Okay, got it. All right, let me connect to your computer. Give me your number. What number are you?
1 second. It's 188.
Okay.
9M, or whenever you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready now.
9M7UT4.
Okay, yeah, you're good. You're good. Now I'll show you. Delete that. Do the backspace. And use the arrow keys. Go use the up arrow key on the keyboard.
Up arrow key doesn't do anything, but when I hit down arrow key, now I got IPA and then CD, EDC.
Okay, hold on, because
Okay.
you.
All right.
Okay, now this is what I wanted. I mean, sometimes you may have already pressed and held on the arrow key so that it went fast. So
Okay.
I'm all the way on the bottom. Now push up arrow key once. Push it again. Push it again. See, do you see what I'm saying here? It's keeping track of your commands here.
Right, got it. Yeah.
Okay, now look.
Change that 3 to 8.
Yeah, see, we're gonna have to play around the 3, 8, and 9. We have to do that. So let's go ahead and go for 8.
Backspace.
Make it 8 and hit enter. Very good. Now on boot we're gonna have to make it yes again.
Okay. So just delete no and write.
Yeah, push
yes.
I as in India first.
Why do we have to hit I?
Then you can't type it in there. Can you type in there?
Let me see. Oh yeah, you're right. I can't.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Push Y. I'm sorry, I, and then give a space there. Yeah. There you go. Type yes.
Okay.
And push the escape key on the keyboard.
Okay.
Shift colon. Then X as in Xerox. And hit enter. Type clear. Type clear. CLEAR. It will clear the screen. Okay.
Got it.
Enter.
Oh, it didn't work. Okay.
Then type LS. Now we're gonna mess around with the number 9 one. So yeah, there you go. All right, now the same thing.
We gotta turn it to yes, right?
Yeah.
On number 8.
Yeah. Number 8 and number 9. So only the onboard is we are changing it to no to yes.
Okay, and then bringing into no. What do you push again? What key was that?
Yeah, go to no and then push I as in India to go
No,
into.
when going to go into no, I just use my cursor.
Yeah, down arrow. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so you're good. Push escape here. Then hold the shift colon. Yep, X as in Xerox and hit enter. Okay, type clear. Okay.
After hitting yes, I press what?
So push the escape key.
Okay, it clears the insert. Perfect.
Where
And then
shift and the
and
colon.
then shift semicolon.
Yeah, shift.
Colon key. And then X.
Yeah, X as in Xerox.
And then enter.
Yes, sir.
All right, perfect. And we got to do the same thing with the last one.
Yep. If you want to bring that up on the screen, type LS, so it will bring up the list.
After network script, I've typed ls again.
Yeah, LS, and then that way you could see the file you're gonna edit.
ls, then enter. Okay, then I'm gonna type the last command, which is 9.
Yeah, bring up that last command you had, vi ifcfg enp0 s8, right? Make it 8 instead of 8, make it 9.
Okay. And I'm on the screen where it's all green. You know, like a
Yeah, it's
green
fine.
and kind of blue.
Yeah, it's fine.
And then I hit enter. Okay, perfect. All right, it's on the line. I'll fix this.
So everybody with
I
me?
wanted to ask. Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna disconnect and then I'm gonna finish mine here.
So what does it mean when they're highlighted green or highlighted cyan?
What happened?
What does it mean when these files in the list, when we click ls, when they're highlighted green?
Yeah, so when you do ls, some of them are in some of them are in green and some of them are not colored, right? So what should I tell them about those? Those are actually the system files. What I'm I prefer, I'm gonna wait for that answer, because if first we're gonna get the IP address and we're gonna connect from putty to the machine here in the background. That way we are out of this. We don't have to worry about dealing with the black screen anymore, okay? And then once we have the IP address, then I will further answer your questions here. So bear with me. So everybody go ahead and restart the system, okay? Here's the command to restart the system. INIT6. INIT space 6. Okay, and hit enter.
I think I can type.
What happened?
It's not letting me type.
It's not letting you type. Okay, give me your ID.
Yeah, that's the one, and the password is 9M7UT4.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, go ahead and type INIT6.
Oh, no, it is INI.
T as in tiger. Space number 6. That's a reboot command. Hit enter, yeah. There you go. It's working. Okay, good. So everybody, your system rebooted and you are on this place here, right? Log in again.
Yes.
So go ahead and type login as root, ROOT, and hit enter. And the password Red Hat, enter. And now let's type IP space A as in apple and hit enter.
Oh, mine is again giving me incorrect login. So the login is root and the password is Red Hat.
Yeah. No, type root and hit enter. Don't give space after root, okay?
Right, that's what I did. Okay, now it worked.
Hey Zafar, for some reason it's not giving me a root extension. It's giving me :/#. Why is that?
:/#.
Why is that?
Hit,
reboot it.
Hit enter a couple times. Let me connect. Okay, yeah, you're good. You're good.
Me?
No, I think you're in my desktop.
Yeah, I'm talking to you, so you're good. Yeah, give me your ID.
It's launching. 469-32850.
Uh-oh, sorry.
I'll WhatsApp you real quick.
469.
I just WhatsApped you.
Okay.
WhatsApp your password.
328850. NQ6H8.
You in now, Zafar?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll do it again.
I have a quick question. I'm long.
Yeah, give me one. Yeah, give me 1 moment. I'm looking at. Give me 1 Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, I think I got disconnected. Let me connect again. What is the ID? Password?
It's the same password. That's
Okay. Where is the
I'm running the second one.
Yeah, I think the system got corrupted. Did the installation went through fine?
Yeah, everything went through fine.
I think, Farooq, you have too many things open there, right? Will you be able to close some of the folder for applications there?
Does it normally take that long, Zafar?
No, it shouldn't take. No, it shouldn't take that long. Can you close some? Can you close some applications?
No, it's not. I don't think it's application related. Maybe it's. Let's take a look at it. You already paused this, right?
Yeah, cancel that. I want the third one running.
Third one is running, right? Yeah, so that's fine. Why this is empty now? Not supposed to be empty.
No, it's okay. After the OS is installed, it will remove itself.
Maybe we should do not the reset, right? Because this is my clone copy. This one. The other one is. Okay, so maybe let's close this one. Hold this off for a second. Oh wow, this is the clone copy.
Yeah, the clone has crashed also.
All right, so hang on a second. Let me do this. This is not fun. Okay, let's try to connect one more time. Because I did all my configurations on that.
Is it loading?
Is it loading? Or it's still stuck?
No, I think it's still there. It's either it's doing something. I don't know if it's doing anything.
Yeah. Okay, Farooq, I think.
Farooq, I think the
OS got corrupted.
OS got corrupted.
So redo the whole thing?
Yeah. Let me try it on.
Let me try it on it.
These are the two, Zafar, that I was working on, right? So maybe we can just completely reset them, and then I can quickly redo it. That's no problem. So this one is running.
So no,
Before that, attach the ISO.
Attach the ISO, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So
And then it will boot through it.
1 second. Oh, I have to reattach the ISO.
Yeah. So it's in the settings.
Yeah, there.
Okay. All right. Yeah, go ahead.
You carry on, and I'm just reattaching it, redoing it. So I'll catch up. I'll catch up. Go ahead.
Okay. So everybody still with me? Okay.
Yeah.
So go ahead and type IPA, and you will have this in here. If you look closely, look for the one that says iNet. Okay. And each Ethernet adapter, they will have the IP address here. So we'll select the first one, whichever one is for ENP0S3. Okay. So before that, let me take a screenshot. So this is the one this is the IP address in here. The information is giving out. This is the IP address. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is can everybody confirm everybody got the IP address, 3 IP address for each adapter?
I do.
Okay, I got 1,
Yes.
2, 1 more.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Actually, I have for 2. Oh no, all 3. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna shut it down. To shut down the system, type INIT 0 and hit enter. The system should shut down. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, now back to the...
INIT space 0.
Yes, sir. Okay, so let me know, everybody, your system is shut down and you could see the virtual box like this.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, great. So now what we're going to do is we're going to keep this as an original copy so that we had done so much hard work here. So we'll leave that alone. So go ahead and right click on it and click on clone. Okay, you see Dolly there, the Dolly, the sheep as a clone. So in the clone name, give it a capital letters practice. Okay. And then everybody with me, then click next.
Done.
Okay, and then make sure full clone is checked.
Sure.
And then click clone. And then we will have a clone ready in a few minutes.
It's done. For me.
Yours is done already?
Yeah.
It's ready as practice. Yes.
All right.
Yep, mine is also done.
You guys have a fast computers then.
Yes. If you have time, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So I just got this Dell Inspiron, something like that. Inspiron, I guess. So I have a question: how long the usual battery lasts for the computer? Because I had a full charge when I get into this call, and now I have like 12% left, which is 29 minutes. But we've been on a call from like 2.5 hours now. That's how long the battery should last.
Yeah, the battery will drain because it's using a lot of computing power right now. If it's using VirtualBox, it's using a lot of... What you have to do is, the normal battery condition is you just have plugged in and not using anything. It's sitting idle. But go in the taskbar and click on performance and look in here like memory and CPU at the moment. If it's higher than 50%, then it's using a lot of battery.
Okay, let me check that.
But right now your virtual machine is off, so it wouldn't give you the...
It wouldn't give me the same results.
Good information. Yeah. So select practice and go ahead and turn that one on. Just select it and select start. Okay, see, look at my CPU is going crazy here. And the memory went up too.
So how do you start it? Click on it and...
Yeah, select it and then click start button here. On the top right, it will say start. you get it?
Yeah.
All right, good. Okay, now the same thing, root. Login is root. Password is whatever the password you have given, the Red Hat, mine is. And you're logged in there.
Not there yet. Okay.
Okay, all right, so now, yeah, I think this is it for the setup here. So now everybody go ahead and type it in there, IP space A, and hit enter. We need to gather the IP information. Okay, so look for the IP information for ENP0S3.
Okay.
Okay, now find Putty. Putty is the application. I asked you guys to download it. So if you selected the package, it should have downloaded Putty on your computer.
Open it.
Yeah, open it and then it should look like this.
Okay.
Okay, so normally what I do is you could click on default settings and click load. And what I do is I have a lot of problem with my eyes. So I go into colors and I go into default foreground and I click on modify. And I usually put something like yellow or fluorescent. And then under Windows, click on appearance.
When I hit default setting and load, it did not do anything.
Yeah, it doesn't do anything, but it's loaded.
Oh, okay.
And then go into colors, and if you want to change the color, default foreground, that means the text. In my Putty, my text is usually bright, like this. And then the background is going to be black. And then the appearance, I normally put down like 20. I like big letter box.
Can you show that again if you don't mind after the load? Because when I hit the load, my computer just gave me just a sound. Nothing else.
Okay, select default. Select default settings.
Okay.
And click load. Okay, it's not going to do anything. Now go into colors. And then on the black window, I normally like this bright yellow or a fluorescent or whatever. So this is what I normally keep. Okay.
Just give me a second. So go on the color.
Default foreground.
Default foreground. Okay.
Click modify.
Click modify. And then keep it black.
I mean, no, don't keep black. Because the background of the black foreground is the text you're going to be seeing on the Putty.
Oh, okay.
So I usually keep something bright.
All right. I'll keep some color that I can see. I'll keep green.
Okay, beats me because I got a problem with my head. And then I normally go into appearance here. And then the font size is set to
Which one did you did it?
Me?
Yes. What color you chose?
I chose here.
So I'll keep the same so I will not get confused when you're teaching.
Okay. And then I go into appearance.
And then you just choose it. Okay.
Yeah, click on it and then you just select it and click OK.
Okay.
And then go into appearance and then the font size, I'm increasing it to 20. so that I like it nice and big since I have a big monitor, so I don't have to squint. I usually keep it 20.
How do you achieve that? Change. Okay, it's 20, right?
Appearance, change, and then set it to. Mine is pretty big. 20 is pretty big. You could go back and change it to less than 20 if you want. But 10 is too small for me.
Okay.
Okay, and what else is here? And then go back.
Yeah, that's to 16.
Yeah, fine.
That should be it.
So go back into the session and then select default. Make sure default is selected and click save. Okay, default is selected and click save. Okay, good. Now what I need is I'm going to put in my IP address. Yours is going to be different too. Mine is 192.168.56.105. Okay, I'm going to type 192.168.56.105. What is that you guys have? Is it different or similar? And then in the save session name, I give it a name and then click save. So it should save it in here. You should see practice.
Okay, give me 1 second.
Do you not put anything after slash? So I got mine is 103/24.
No, we don't need that. We just need 103. That's the last octet.
So type that and hit. What do we do now? What do we do next?
Then give it a name. Under a save session, give it a name. In the host name or IP, give the IP address. And the save session, give the name practice. Or whatever you like.
All right, and then hit open.
Now click save first so that it saves it in here.
Okay.
Next time when you come back, you don't have to do all that. Okay, then click open. And you should have a security alert.
Select practice and then click open.
Yeah. If you have a security alert, click yes.
All right. Comes at login as
root, lowercase. Everything is lowercase. And Red Hat is the password. Now what you do is you are connected to this machine in the back here. So you will be using the putty going forward. And this thing is going to sit in the background. And then we're going to use putty here because putty allows you to copy, paste, and do several other things in here, okay? That's why.
Sure, my access was denied.
Yeah, because go ahead and right click there and click restart or duplicate session or whatever.
Wait, what?
Okay, is it asking you to type in the login name again?
No, I did, and then it says last failed login Sunday.
Okay, good. You're logged in because it's giving you the message last time somebody tried to log in.
Oh, okay. I'm good, I guess. It says X is denied for some reason. Your screen does not say X is denied.
Okay, but you're logged in now, right?
Now I guess I'm logged in. Yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I think I'm logged in now. Yes.
So to know if you're logged in, type who am I? Who am I? It will tell you root.
Oh, okay. No space?
No space. Who am I? And hit enter.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, good. So I'm gonna wait here so that everybody catches up, and we'll see how it goes.
So who am I?
So you could resize the window and all that here, so you could play around with it.
We're still on the same screen. You want me to stay there?
Yeah, I'm just creating a document here so that I will begin. We still have good 20 minutes, so we'll start something else today. Okay. So I wanted to make sure
Sure.
everybody is with me, and we could continue on.
No, I was just asking you want me to stay on the same screen, like
Yeah.
on the root post on the. Okay.
Yeah, the same screen is fine for now.
Hey, Zafar.
Yeah.
Oh man, I just deleted everything. I'm way behind, so I have to really catch up. What I'm recreating the whole virtual machine thing, right? When I go into the storage, you remember you made us add this 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah.
I'm having a little bit of problem there. I just don't want to make any mistakes. Would you want to quickly team
Yeah.
you in?
Yeah, let me do this here. Is it the same password again?
Same thing, yeah.
I think the password changed, so give me the password again.
NQ6H81. Oh, did it change? Wait a second. Yeah, it did change. I'm gonna message you real quick.
NQ6. Okay, yeah. 1Q, 1Q4, N8S.
So I'll finish this up later, but what I just did, I just added all the networks adapters, right?
Okay.
And then when I go into the storage, I haven't connected it yet, but on storage, remember you said add 3 disks.
Yeah, so add. No, I think, yeah, you have to create it. And
Just create it like this.
And
This 1, this 2, this 3, right?
yeah,
Okay.
disk 2. Disk 2. And choose.
Oh, 16. Yeah.
Okay, all looks good to me.
It's better to keep a couple different clones, right?
I'm sorry?
I'm sorry?
It's better to keep a couple clones in a situation like this. I had a clone. I don't know what happened, but everything got corrupted. I want to show you something here because I already tried once. It went all the way and then it got stuck somewhere. So let me show you that. If it doesn't stuck this time, then I'll carry on.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I think that is what is causing problems. So uncheck that.
Which one was that?
Virtual machine platform.
So I have to reboot the machine now?
Yeah, because it's coming up with the error again anyway, right?
Do you want to wait for it to go? See?
Yeah, it's gonna do the same thing. Yeah, I'll wait. I got disconnected. Let me connect. Okay, actually, we could all drop now because the time is up. Almost 10 minutes left. So next week we shouldn't have all this problem here. So we'll pick up where we left off and we'll actually start working on the Linux boxes. Okay, guys.
Could you go to your manager, your VirtualBox manager? I want to see if my storage settings are the same for the server.
Okay. Go where?
The settings on the RHEL7.
Okay.
And then storage.
The first one is 16.
Okay.
The second one is 16. And third one is 8. It doesn't matter if it's less or more. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
And for the clone,
empty.
Yeah, those should be empty. Nothing else. And the clone should also copy over that, but with a different name.
All right.
And then and then the CD is supposed to be empty. Yes.
I never had this problem, man. You'll see it, Zafar.
Okay. It's doing that.
Reboot.
Yeah. So hold on, it didn't say to reboot.
It worked just fine. I made all those changes that you walked through on my previous one. I had no problem.
Yeah, it's giving the same error message.
Where do you see the error message? Rejected by services? Is that where you're seeing that?
Yeah, you see like
devices and all those.
Okay. So reboot and then try?
Yep.
Alright, let me try it. Let me try to reboot real quick.
Okay. You might want to turn off
the virtual machine first.
Okay.
So to shut down the virtual machine, you can just type init 0.
Yes, init 0, and just watch in the background here. You're sending a command from PuTTY to virtual machine there, and if you hit enter, it will do the deed for you. See, it's gone.
Oh, okay. And what did init 6 do? I forgot.
Reboot.
Okay.
All right. Stay put here. We got 4 months together. We're gonna learn a lot of things, especially scripting, Ansible, DNS, DHCP, FTP, all those things. All right. So I'm gonna end here. Then we'll continue on next week, and then hopefully everything should be easy. There must be new people joining in next week, but I'll make sure I have all this ready before they join.
I have a question.
Yeah.
After ISBLK, all these things popped up.
Yeah.
In the end, I just put init 0.
Yeah, init space 0, then the virtual machine in the background should shut down.
Let me see.
So it should say power off.
It says, give me an error. It says remote side unexpectedly the closed network connection.
That's good. The virtual box, look in the virtual box here. It should be, both of them should be powered off.
Yeah, I had the same message too, but it shuts it off.
Yeah, because the connection between the PuTTY and the virtual box is gone. So that's the good error message.
Sounds good. It's off.
Okay, so we'll have a lot of fun starting next week, and then hopefully it will be a good time spent for you guys.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Guys. Have a good one.
Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you.